Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher in your KIANO Elegance 6.1 Pro, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, but of course I'm going to back for our default launcher. So let's go back for the settings, go for the themes, for the apps, default apps, home launcher, and change for our default launcher. Okay, right now we are going to delete this application. I'm going to show you how to get it, and also the control center. So right now let's go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here iOS launcher. Get the application from the Lutin developer, click here, tap on the install. And then just tap right here for the control center. There's also from the Lutin developer, from the same company, click install and just wait. Okay, and right now we can open our launcher. So back to the home screen, click here. Click allow 3 times. And then tap here and go for the control center. Use this switcher to activate this option. Go back, slide 2 times and tap on the home button once again. Right now we have to move for the settings, go for the apps and notifications, tap on the default apps, click on the home screen, home application, select iOS launcher, click on it, we got it. And as you can see right now we got our iOS launcher. And we can also open the control center right here, click on the marker, activate, and right now if you want to open, just slide from the right side of your screen. So as you can see, this is how it works on this smartphone. I hope that'll help you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe our channel. See ya!